Hi sisters! James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see today, I'm joined with a very special guest.
Hi!
Doja Cat!
A few days ago, James Charles released his collab with Doja Cat after teasing it on his Instagram story. And although tons of fans are ecstatic about the collab, there are a lot of fans that are not happy, with fans from both sides bringing up the problematic past of both parties, as well as fans speculating whether this could have been filmed while Doja was positive for COVID. Hey, what's up everyone and happy Friday! I'm Mackenzie Smith and today on IO I'm going to be giving you the scoop on the latest drama surrounding James Charles and Doja Cat's recent collab. But before I get into it, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow our socials for more. So on August 11th, James Charles dropped his collab with Doja Cat, called Doing Doja Cat's Makeup. And in the video, the pair speak about how they met, and James asked Doja about her music, speaking about dream collabs and her love of makeup. But the video seems to be getting mixed reviews, with fans on Twitter pointing out the problematic nature of the collab, with specifically Doja fans angry that she would do a collab with James, right after he got in a scandal with Alicia Keys by talking badly about her new beauty launch before the details were released, with many fans thinking that this is James's version of performative activism, trying to save face by having a black woman on his channel after just being in a scandal for trying to bring another black woman down, with one fan writing, quote, "All I'm saying is James Charles collabing with Doja Cat after bashing black women, while also knowing Doja's history with white men that don't like black people, it's kind of funny, not gonna lie." And another saying, quote, "James Charles came under fire last week for gatekeeping a black woman, only to reach out to Doja smells like Jeffree Star reaching out to Black China," with many other people simply saying that she's not reading the room. But this wasn't the only issue that people had with this collab. As we've covered before on the channel, Doja Cat tested positive for COVID recently, announcing it on July 27th, saying in a statement, quote, "I'm okay now, it was a 4-day symptom freakout, but I'm fine now." And considering they must have filmed the collab at least a week ago, people are thinking she might have been positive for the virus while they were filming the collab, with people joking online that the two would do anything for clout, even getting the virus. Then others saying that James might not have cared, as he probably already got the virus from all the TikTok parties that he attended. The shade though. With others calling out Doja too, saying they hope she tested herself right before the collab to ensure that she didn't give it to James or his team. So that's all for that story today. Let me know what you're thinking about all this below. Firstly, I want to know if you saw the collab. Then let me know if you thought it was strange that they were collabing, considering the scandals that they have both been in, as well as Doja's contraction of the virus. I have to admit I did watch the collab and I did like it a lot, but when the video popped up I did remember thinking that people weren't gonna like that the two of them were collabing after their recent scandals around race. But those are just my thoughts. And now before I head out, I'm gonna shout out some comments from my video on Carole Baskin and the WAP music video. So Gabby said, "LMAO, I thought the cats were fake." Honestly, same, like they look a lot like CGI to me, but I also think that if they were fake, one of the women would have probably came out clarifying that by now, so they're probably real, I don't know, but they did look super fake to me. Then Janina said, "They aren't cruising for a bruising, they're asking for a baskin." I just had to include that because I'm obsessed with funny pun sayings like that. Definitely drop them in the comments on any of my videos and I will probably shout them out. Then Courtney said, "Was just driving and literally saw the windshield of a truck saying, quote, 'Honk if you hate Carole Baskin.'" Oh my god, okay, like, that's taking it a little too far. Like, I still don't fully understand all the hate for her. Like, you know, she is bad, but so is every other person in that whole documentary, right? But also, let me know if you would have honked at that. Okay, everyone, that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way here, I really appreciate it. And be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram to be kept up to date with all the news and tea you'll ever need to know. And I'll see you all in the next one.